Hey loves, it's your homegirl Buterajm. I'm your one and only Julian Hart. You already know, if you are new to my YouTube channel, you are most definitely welcome. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Of course, click the bell notification. That way you get notified anytime I post good videos like this one. And if you are not new, boo-boo, welcome back. So I'm here to show you slow by slow how to do your own YouTube banner. So I'm going to go into my 𝚘𝚐𝚘 app. Is in the app store. It's free, guys, and it's really helpful. This is what I use to do my thumbnail and YouTube banner, of course. So go to 𝚘𝚘 app, click this camera thing down here, and then click plain images. I'm going to choose a white background, of course, and then I'm going to adjust the size. And right here is going to be 2560 by 423. Done. Click this up here, click use, and that's it. And then you're going to click this three thing down here, add image, and then you're going to take your background. I want to tilt this background to 90 degrees. So that's enough, and then I'm going to make it big. I want this part of the background, the dark part. So I'm just adjusting the size, making sure it fits. I think that's good over there. And then to make sure, you can move it a little bit more on the side, and then you click save image. Before you exit from the 𝚘𝚘 app, make sure you go into your phone and make sure everything is how you want it to be, just like that. So I'm going to move into the 𝚘𝚘 app, and right now I'm going to take the pictures that I want to use. I have this eraser, it can help, but I'm going to use Superpose X. For this app, guys, you have to pay for it, and as you can see, I do a lot of editing on here. So I'm taking this picture, and by the way, I'm doing my sister's banner because I already did mine. I didn't want to repeat the same thing, so I'm doing my sister's banner, and I'm going to show you guys from hers. You guys can actually go and check out her YouTube channel. She has some good advice down there for a man and a woman, for everybody. So I think that looks good. You don't have to worry about what I'm doing right now, but just click the picture, and then you're going to go to mask, and then you're going to erase the background. You want to make sure you erase really good, so you can zoom in. Make sure you erase slowly. Take your time. Take your time. I like to zoom in, that way I know what I'm doing. It says editor on this little pencil, and then I'm going to click mask outline. As you can see, it automatically give me that white outline you'll be seeing some YouTubers put on their YouTube banner, on their thumbnail, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to pick this white one. I don't want it to be too much, just a little bit, like that's fine. That's fine. And then I'm going to save. I'm going to go here on layers. I don't think a black shadow will look good. I'm going to change it into something like red because I picked a red background. I think that will look lit. Yes. I want red. Oh my god. Okay. I don't want the shadow to be too much like this. No, just a little bit, you know. I'm going to save it. I think I like it like this. And then I'm going to save the picture. Make sure you save it here on PNG. And then I will click save photo. It's saved already. And then I'm going to take another picture. App, and then I'm going to click the camera thing again, photo album, and then I'm going to take my little banner, and then I'm going to go there again on these three little things, add image, and then I'm going to add my photo. Going to size it up. And then I will take the other one. I just like these pictures. Move it down a little bit. I don't want, you know, the part of her stomach to show. That's fine. I'm going to move it on the side. And then I'm going to add text. I'm going to write her channel name. I'm going to click done, and then I'm going to click style, stroke. I'm going to put a different stroke color that will pop. I'm going to go to style. If you want to make your text black, you click black, any color, but I like white. If you want to make your stroke any color, you just click and see which color will go together with your background. So I'm just looking for a color that will go together with my background right now. I think I like that red over there. And then I'm going to write vlog. lifestyle, advice. I like this one. Done. Style. I need my stroke again. Red. I want a different color. Let me put green. That's fine. And then I'm going to go on Google Safari and I'm going to type YouTube banner template. You can go to the image and click the banner template. Save. And I'll show you guys why we need it. Add image, put the banner template over there, size it up the same size as the one you have. If it's big, size it down again. I think that's good. That's good. And the reason why we need this, guys, is because this little black space, that's where people be looking at. So you want to make sure your picture is on that black space. Just move your picture in. If you want to make these words a little bit smaller, you can. Just a little bit so everything is in the right space. I like to use my nails to see if everything is in the right spot. I think that's fine already. And then you can bring the template down. You see? Perfect, like perfect. So I'm going to remove this. Remove, and then I'm going to click this save. So guys, we're not done yet. And then you're going to go back again into your photo, click this camera thing again, plan image. This is where you guys want to focus, like focus. And then you're going to click white background again. You're going to adjust the number. This is going to be 2560 to 1440. Done. Used. And then you're going to take your banner. And then you're going to make it big, make it the same size. Make sure it's the same size. Move it if you want to move it, but make sure it's the same size. Don't make your banner too big or too small. Make sure it's the same size. That's the same size. And then you can bring back your banner template again to make sure it's the same size. Don't be too lazy to do all this stuff, guys. You need your banner to look professional. As you can see, your burner, if you do this and then you see the burners are together, just leave it like that, remove this one, and then you're going to save this one. Go to your photo, look at your burner. As you can see, it looks perfect. And don't get me wrong guys, if you want, you can add your social media down here, or you can add more stuff into it. I just wanted to show you how I do mine, and since it's for my sister, she didn't want too much stuff. That's why, as I told you, she like simple, easy stuff. So that's it for this video guys. Please, if you like this video, if it was helpful to you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to what video you want me to do next. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys.